Hey everyone, so in the last video we discussed on the market research or the audience research. Today I would love to discuss more on this topic further. So let's discuss and understand what are the different types of business which helps us in understanding the market better. So broadly there are just two types of businesses. One is B2B and second is B2C or D2C. So B2B is basically business to business, where you sell, where one business sells its products or services to another business, and D2C is basically direct to consumer or maybe business to customer, where the business directly reach out to the customers and they sell their products or services to their customers. That's all in this video. Thank you so much.